Hello and welcome to this quick video tutorial on how to distinguish between your read and unread emails on Monarch using version 1.3. So we welcome version 1.3, which focuses on native support for JAWS, but we have also introduced some great features within the Keysoft Accessibility Suite. Of course, getting feedback from you as users is extremely important, so please continue to keep your suggestions coming. And speaking of suggestions and feedback, soon after releasing version 1.2, which introduced the ability to send and receive emails, users found that when visiting their inbox full of emails, and extremely tedious to know if the email was unread or not. You either had to read the full subject line or listen to the text-to-speech to tell you if it was an unread email. So you'll be glad to know that this is something we have worked on. Similar to how we represent folders in key files, we felt that it was important to keep things intuitive. And by that, I mean we show unread emails using the 8-dot solution. This enables the user to quickly run down the left side of the Monarch to review their unread emails, which is more effective and productive. Once you've opened the email and returned to the inbox list, the 8-dot symbol will be removed, showing just the email subject line. So let's have a look at this in action. So I'm on the main menu. I've got my visual braille output, and I'm going to quickly navigate to email. Press the letter E.
KeyMail.
And press enter.
New message.
I'm going to navigate to my read email. So I'm going to use my space bar to move down and press enter on read.
KeyMail. Inbox message list. Unread. Andrew Filter's tactile graphic.
Okay, so I'm now in my inbox, which has several emails, and I'm sure many of you will have lots and lots of emails in your inbox. I think I have about 5 emails, and I've actually got one unread email here. So as I'm reading through on my display, I do have an email that's from myself, subject line of tactile graphics. And just to the left side, if I start here on the left edge, I do have my focus indicator. And remember, the focus indicator is telling me this is where the accessibility focus is. So if I was to press enter, it would open up this particular line. You can use your up and down keys to move your focus indicator, of course, or you can use your space bar or first letter navigation as you can anywhere within Keysoft. So just keep that one in mind. Just to the right of then, your focus indicator is the 8-dot symbols, as I mentioned. Very much like the way that we display folders in the file manager, folders are distinguished by the 8-dot symbol. And so we've felt that it was a great way of showing between a read email and an unopened or unread email. So the 8-dot symbol is showcasing that this is an unread email. And as I further go down my list of my inbox, I can see that there are many emails that are already opened because I don't have that 8-dot symbol. So I'm here on the, my accessibility focus is on my email tactile graphics, and I've got that 8-dot symbol. I'm going to hit the enter key to go into that email.
Hey, Andrew.
Okay, that's now opened up the email. I'm going to quickly hit the back key to go back to my list.
Andrew Filter's tactile graphic.
And you'll notice it's now disappeared. So instead, it's just replaced the 8-dot symbol and just put the subject line instead. And that's a quick way of distinguishing between unread and read emails. Thanks for joining.